If you're building a React application and want to give your users the ability to create and customize reports directly inside your app, Bold Reports makes this simple. In this demo, I'll show you how to embed the report designer into your React application so your users can design, edit, and manage reports without ever leaving it. First, make sure your development environment is ready with Node.js installed. Next, install Create React App globally. Second, create a new React application using Create React App. Change the directory of the application's root folder by running the following command. Once your project is ready, install the required Bold Reports dependencies. Since Bold Reports relies on global libraries, set up a globals file. And import the necessary scripts to ensure everything works correctly. Open the index.js file and reference the globals.js file to configure the global settings and dependencies required for the Bold Reports web report designer to function properly in the React application. Open the app.js file and import the Bold Reports scripts and styles. These resources enable the full functionality of the report designer, including the UI, drag-and-drop design surface, and configuration tools. Now let's embed the report designer. Declare the report designer style variable and assign the width and height. Inside your app component, add a container element. This defines where the report designer will be rendered in your application. Now, initialize the report designer component inside this container. Next, let's configure the service URL. The service URL is the API endpoint responsible for handling report designer actions. For example, a local host URL indicates that the service is running on your local machine. Now everything is set up. Run the application. In the browser, you'll see the web report designer loaded directly inside your React application. You can now add report items, design layouts, and build and download reports as RDL files. With Bold Reports, you can easily transform your React app into a self-service reporting platform, giving users the ability to design reports without leaving your application. To learn more, visit boldreports.com. Start a 30-day free trial or schedule a demo with our experts. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe for more Bold Reports tutorials. Thanks for watching.